Afternoon everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Going to make a start on, where's my hand? Pulling some onions. Not that bed, but the other bed over my other shoulder. That's the one I'm going to tackle. Yeah, turn the camera around, have a look. Now just lifting a few, well, this block of onions. So you can see how the stems are bending. That's a natural sign to show that they're ready for lifting. So yeah, there's quite a lot of people and books that say about once they fall over like that, you should then leave them in the ground for another few weeks until the stems go brown. I kind of think, why chance it? You know they're ready, you can see the size. That's definitely ready. So lift it whilst weather's good, because you never know, it might suddenly turn wet. Lift it whilst it's good, and then you can dry it in somewhere like a shed, safe in the knowledge that you're not going to have any root problems, or rot problems I should say. Yeah, look at that, that's a monster. There's some real big old beasties amongst here. So let's just, there we go. There, look at that. Yeah, look at these. So I've started pulling the white ones, some proper monsters amongst there. I'm only doing this bed, mind you, but let's see what else there is. Just give it a bit of force. Oh. Yeah, look at that. Don't get those in the supermarket, do you? Not that size. Right, so as I say, that's all the onions from this bed pulled, and it was Onion Autumn Champ. I'll start with these. So they're kind of the small ones. It's quite hard. I have been biased, obviously, separating out the different sizes, but I mean, look at the size of that. Try not to swear. I mean, it's just flipping enormous. Well, as a comparison, there's a brick. Just a proper monster beastie. So those were all planted in the autumn, and well, if you've seen the planting videos, which hopefully you have, it's basically layers of soil, manure, soil, and then a manure finishing over the top. Didn't water at all until we got to this springtime, probably about February to be honest. And yes, the bed has been netted the whole time up till the end of May, and then now we're into June. Took the covers off, so in the bed that's the last thing that still remains, but they're elephant garlic, so they're staying. And then I've still got this bed here of onions, again autumn planted. You can see there's some big red jobbies there, and just some more massive onions. So the red ones are electric, and the white is more of the champion. So not bad. Well, that is it. That's that bed all cleared. As you saw, you know, some proper big boys in there, and like I say, you can leave them in the beds, entirely up to you. Everyone does their own thing with regards to growing vegetables. I mean, as you can see, the cloud above has suddenly turned black, so me wearing a vest top, not a great idea, but everyone does their own thing. And whilst all the books and everyone that, well, not everyone, but a lot of people you speak to always say about leaving the onions or leave your garlic until the stems have gone brown in, and then lift it. Why? I don't know. You know, there's that chance that it could absolutely chuck it down for a few days on end. Then you end up with slugs getting in there, or you end up with onion fly or leek onion fly getting onto the crop. You know, it does happen. Suddenly get a late attack with that, and they start hatching. You know, the larvae start hatching out and destroying your hard work. So I always think, as soon as we get like that, where the stems are bent, let's have them out. Get them out of the ground. You know that then you can clean them up and just have them somewhere dry, like your shed, to dry off a little bit, and then you can clean up afterwards at your own leisure without worrying about what's coming. Anyway, that's my little thing. So yeah, hope you liked the video. If you've got any questions, please send them to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. As I always say, I'm not an amazing commercial grower, but I am pretty good at growing things. So hopefully I can answer most of your questions for you. If you like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. It's always really nice to see new people coming on board. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos I'm doing. But more importantly, always say it, just enjoy what you're doing. Enjoy being outside in the garden, or a bit of gardening indoors if you don't have a garden, or just getting outside and look at other people's gardens. But just have fun, and there you go. Bye for now.